Now I'll show you how to analyze your website SEO, so basic SEO, find any issues to work on. So go to SEO WebPageAnalyzer.com and paste in your URL. For this exercise, I will analyze Shopify.com website. So Shopify score is 56 out of 100, which is pretty average, I have to say, compared to other websites that I measure using this tool. However, let's have a look at the meta. So Google snippet, meta title, meta description. So it's exactly within the limit, character limit. So up to 70 characters. Quite nicely optimized. Meta title, meta description is up to 154 characters, so within the limit as well, and also nicely optimized. Their heading tags are within the right order, so they start with H1, really nicely optimized, build your business, then H2, H3. So quite nice. Content analysis, so very nicely optimized content as well. So these are the keywords that that rank the most often. So this is the basic first step of analyzing your SEO score and seeing if there are any urgent matters to fix. The most common issues I see are with meta description, meta title, so Google snippet, heading tags not being in the right order, and obviously content analysis for ranking for very generic keywords. You can analyze any page on your website, so not only home page, but you can also paste your shipping page, about us page, product page, and so on, to give you a better understanding how you rank.